Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful tool for anyone who loves working in their backyard or garden, the Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Attachment Kit. We found this product online and included a link in the description so you can easily check its latest price and availability. The Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Attachment Kit is designed to breathe new life into your outdoor gardening tools, chainsaws, and various DIY projects around your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just someone who enjoys keeping their tools in top shape, this kit offers everything you need to ensure your favorite tools remain sharp and effective. One of the standout features of this sharpening kit is its simplicity. It includes 3 popular attachments specifically crafted for sharpening different types of tools: a garden tool sharpening attachment, a lawnmower sharpening attachment, and a chainsaw sharpening attachment. This means you can tackle a wide array of tools with just one kit. It also comes with several sharpening and grinding stones, specifically the 453, 454, 455, and 932 stones, which are designed to sharpen various chain sizes, including 1/4, 3/8, 3/8 low profile, and .325 chains. Another notable aspect of the Dremel A679-02 is its compatibility with various Dremel rotary tool models, including the 100, 200, 3000, 4000, 7760, 8220, 8240, 8250, and 8260. If you happen to own a Dremel 4300, you can still use this kit with the appropriate collet and collet nut. This versatility makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Now, who exactly is this kit suitable for? If you're a gardening enthusiast, landscaper, or just someone who likes to keep their tools sharp, this kit is a perfect fit. It's also great for DIY homeowners who want to maintain their lawn equipment and tools in peak condition without needing to take them to a professional for sharpening, which can often be both time-consuming and costly. When it comes to practical use cases, the Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Attachment Kit shines. Imagine it's the beginning of spring, and you're ready to tackle your garden. Before you start, you realize your hedge trimmers are dull, your lawn mower blades are less than effective, and your chainsaw needs a touch-up after last season's heavy use. Instead of making a trip to the store or paying for sharpening services, you can simply reach for your Dremel rotary tool and this sharpening kit. Within minutes, you'll have your tools restored to optimal performance, making your gardening and landscaping tasks much easier and more efficient. Installation of the attachments is a breeze. Each attachment easily screws onto your Dremel rotary tool, allowing you to switch between tools quickly and efficiently. This ease of use is particularly beneficial for anyone who may not have extensive experience with power tools but still wants to maintain their equipment effectively. In conclusion, the Dremel A679-02 Sharpening Attachment Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to keep their gardening tools, chainsaws, and DIY equipment in top form. Its comprehensive set of attachments and user-friendly design make it an essential tool for both amateur gardeners and seasoned professionals alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.